Ever feel lost in Minecraft and wish you had a compass pointing to undiscovered treasures? Finding new stuff can be tricky if you're aimless. First, we need a map. Check if you have a crafting table. If not, craft one. Place the crafting table and interact with it to open the crafting grid. To make a map, you need paper and a compass. Craft paper from sugar cane. You'll need 9. Fill all 9 crafting slots with paper. Drag the crafted paper to your inventory. Now, get a compass. Place the compass in the center of the grid, surround it with paper. This creates a blank map. Drag the blank map to your inventory. Looks boring now, but wait. Equip the map and right-click. This activates it, filling in the area around you as you explore. Explore, walk, run, even fly with Elytra, and watch your map fill. It'll visually show unvisited areas. Blank spots on your map are treasure maps. Head there to uncover new biomes, structures, and maybe even rare loot. Happy exploring!